In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a Loom video thumbnail. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right into it. Changing the thumbnail of your Loom video is a pretty simple process, and I'm here to guide you through each step to make it as easy as possible. A compelling thumbnail can really attract viewers, so let's make sure yours stands out. First things first, you'll need to open the Loom application or the website. If you don't already have it open, go ahead and do that. Once Loom is open, sign in with your account if you aren't logged in already. It only takes a moment, so just enter your credentials and let's get started. Once you're in your Loom dashboard, navigate to your library. Your library is where all your recorded videos are stored, and it's the perfect place to start when you want to edit any of them. So go ahead and click on Library on the left-hand menu. You'll see all the videos you have created listed there. Now, find the video for which you'd like to change the thumbnail. You can tell which one it is based on the titles or the visual preview that appears. Once you find it, just click on the video thumbnail or title itself to open it. This will take you to the video details page, where you can make various adjustments. On the right side of the page, you will notice an option that says Settings. Click on that. This is where the magic happens. In the Settings menu, look for the option that says Change Thumbnail. It's usually pretty clear, and clicking it will open a new dialog box where you can select a new image for your video's thumbnail. Now, selecting the perfect image is crucial for attracting viewers. You might want to pick something eye-catching and relevant to the content of your video. Once you've decided which image you want to use, go ahead and select it. Loom will provide you with a preview of how the thumbnail will look. But wait! Before you finalize it, you have the option to drag and reposition the image to fit the video preview just right. This is an important step because you want to make sure that the most engaging parts of your image are visible and that it looks good as a thumbnail. So take a moment to adjust it to your liking. You'll probably want it to be clear and not too cluttered, so choose wisely. Once you're happy with how the thumbnail looks, don't forget to save or apply the changes you've made. Look for the button that says Save or Apply and give it a click. This final step is key because if you don't save, all that hard work could go to waste. And that's it! You've successfully changed the thumbnail of your Loom video. It's really that straightforward. Remember, a great thumbnail can significantly impact how many people click on and engage with your video, so take your time finding the right one. If you have any questions or run into any issues along the way, feel free to drop a comment below the video. I'd be happy to help out. And don't forget to practice. The more you play around with these tools, the better you'll become at creating engaging video content. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more useful tips and tricks. Happy creating!